Hello there. Thanks for tuning in. Is this mic on? Yep, we're good. Hi, I'm SB Mitch. Welcome to the channel. There's my info, and you can subscribe to the channel if you really want to. You probably don't see as many of these kind of videos, but if you're new to the channel, this channel is basically built around mystery beater boxes. But today, that's not what we're doing. We're doing a shoe. Hi, pals! Keep in mind too, these aren't comprehensive reviews. Like when I do these videos, I just like to show off close-ups of the details and how they're made and stuff like that. Like I don't care about wearability with fits or if there's a backstory that really doesn't resonate with me, much like this release. It just doesn't really speak to me like some of the other ones that have. But that doesn't mean that you don't have to like them. I have terrible taste in things too, so. Today we are reviewing a recent Nike SB release. It's a Dunk Low Pro. This thing, this is one half of it. Okay, you know what? I kind of need to hold both of them to make sense. This is the Nike Dunk Low Pro SB. They're called the Street Hawkers. I mean, you guys know the backstory of these, I guess. So Google it if you really want to know like in-depth stuff. I'll just give you the Cliff's Notes, I guess, whoever Cliff is. These are heavily inspired by the Chinese food vendors, also known as street hawkers, given the name, mainly because they're what keeps skateboarders in China fed, I guess you could say. These were designed with the help of Jason Deng, who is a Guangzhou artist. It's got different aspects of different kinds of foods, and you'll be able to tell what they are by Googling it, but for now, let's just take a closer look at the materials on these sneakers. Obviously they're mismatched. I will say the one thing about these, if you compare the right sneaker to the left sneaker, the materials used on the right sneaker are definitely more smooth, whereas the left one is definitely more textured. I don't want to say rough, because they're not rough, they're just textured. I mean, you saw the nappy suede on the Vamp, and the Vamp on the other one is smooth copper. But there's a lot of really cool design aspects to this sneaker. I mean, you got inspiration of chopsticks on the swoosh on the right sneaker, of the tin pots on the left sneaker swoosh. Like, there's just a lot of really cool details. I also didn't get it in the video, but the secondary laces, I think this is just a really cool aspect and a really nice way to do this, and I think that's what Nike should do moving forward. The secondary laces are actually looped around the stock laces, which I think is really cool. The laces are also mismatched, so this is probably one of the first shoes in a long time that we've seen 2 sets of laces and none of them are the same color, so that's pretty cool. These aren't releasing anywhere anytime soon. They released on sneakers yesterday, which everyone seemed to complain about on Twitter. Yeah, retail on these was $110. I got my pair from Uprise Skate Shop out of Chicago. Most of these, like any other Nike SB release that's coming out, have been raffled. Resale on these currently is about $750-ish. I don't see them going down below $600 because it's a unique shoe. Like, this is one of the more out there sneakers to release in a really long time. These do fit. I mean, for me, I have to go up a half size. On Dunk Low SBs, Dunk High SBs, I can stay the same size and I'll be perfectly fine, but definitely go up a half size on a Dunk Low SB because they do fit a little bit different because of the Zoom Air insole. My personal thoughts on them, I mean, they are mismatched, they're colorful, but the colors that are used just are kind of bland to me. Like, it's colors that I don't really much care for. My favorite color on the entire shoe is definitely the outsole on the right sneaker and the laces, the secondary laces, the green ones. I just happen to like bright sneakers even. But this is a very unique and very thoughtful shoe. I think the execution on this is very, very good. So yeah, it's a good release. I'd say if you want to get a pair of these, get them now before they get stocked away and go up in price. So yeah, that's pretty cool. That's the Nike Dunk Low SB Street Hawker. Hey, thanks for watching this video. I appreciate it. I don't usually get early looks of sneakers, and this wasn't really early because they're already released, but hey, whatever. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Let me know if you got a pair, or if you enjoy them. If you don't enjoy them, yeah, it is what it is. Not all sneakers are going to be for everybody. We will see you soon. Till next time, remember to keep sneakers fun because they're supposed to be fun. Bye!